Today we'll show you how to safely operate EYG's bifold doors. The most frequently used part will be your traffic door, which operates just like any other door. This door will need to remain open and unlocked to fully fold all panels of the bifold doors. Here you have a T-handle. To unlock, press on the centre of the handle and spin 180 degrees anti-clockwise. Push gently to carefully collapse the panels. Depending on the size of your doors, you might have more than one T-handle. You can then easily slide the doors fully open. They should sit flush when fully folded. To close, follow the instructions in reverse. Just be mindful of your hand placement near the hinges. Lock the T-handles by turning them 180 degrees clockwise and pressing down until they click in place. Close the traffic door and enjoy the security and beauty of your EYG bifolding doors.